Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Bukola Orry, a lifestyle vlogger, and I make videos from Italy. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe and remember to turn on the notification bell. This is to notify you anytime I post a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I make an oven grilled red mullet fish, also known as goatfish. The skin is a mix of orange, red, and pink color. This fish is high in protein, vitamin B6, B12. It also contains selenium, which supports our immune system. I've already descaled and cleaned the fish. Let's get started. I'm going to start by preparing my marinade with this fish seasoning, which contains some aromatic herbs such as parsley, rosemary, sage, oregano, and bay. I'll be adding my garlic powder, just little because the fish seasoning already contains garlic. Then little salt, ginger powder, I love ginger, chili pepper, and black pepper. I had little dried onions. Then I had my olive oil and give it a stir. Stir everything together, stir my ingredients. I tasted to feel if there's enough seasoning. Then I had my ginger powder because it wasn't enough. And finally my crushed chili peppers. After preparing my marinade, I make deep cuts on both sides of my fish. Then I subsequently brush my fish with the marinade. After leaving my fish to sit for about 30 minutes, I place my fish on a grilling pan with one red bell pepper, which I seasoned with vegetable spice and olive oil. Then I grill for about 30 to 45 minutes in the oven. My grilled fish is ready. I'll be eating it with salad and the grilled bell pepper. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao, ciao.